I think there's some other ones reporting this week. There's FedEx later in the week. I know there was another one of note, but cannot recall exactly.
Conagra Brands is reporting tomorrow morning. That might be interesting.
Conagra, that might be one. That might be the one I was thinking of.
And then Wednesday, Canada Day. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be here or not. Holiday. It's a holiday in Canada.
What is and 4th of July is the holiday is on
Friday.
Friday.
So the markets are closed Friday.
Okay.
Let's just make sure of that, but I'm pretty sure.
Yes, they're closed Friday. Should be, or it's a half a day. No, I don't think it's a half a day though.
No? Well, let's find out here. Independence Day, Friday, July
3rd. It'll be a full day. There's no question.
Yeah.
It'll be a full day.
Yep. So the markets are closed on Friday. And we don't have another closure until Labor Day in September. There you go.
I think it'll be an interesting summer for stocks this year, though.
Hiltzy, what are you talking about, Hiltzy? Aren't you one of the ones that keeps giving me a hard time every time I play her?
How many mods does it take to screw in a light bulb? Well, Norm, come on on and we'll find out. I think you've probably been screwing in a lot of light bulbs.
Fair enough, Hiltzy. You can always play it for yourself, Hiltzy. You know, don't feel you have to wait on me. Look at Facebook going back up. Everybody and their dog is pulling their ads, and Facebook. Let's go up.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't it going up?
Just the most bizarre thing? I
don't get it.
Yeah, it just can't. It just doesn't. There's nothing in this market that you can say makes any kind of sense.
Look at Tesla. Tesla's shooting up.
TSLA
right now.
Tesla. Elon Musk says Tesla could break even in Q2 despite
Tesla's right
pandemic
near
that's
back
from
to
electric.
1,000.
TSLA Tesla.
Tesla, baby, we're back to 1,000.
Shares of Tesla popping 999.44.
Wow.
The high of the day on Tesla TSLA.
Here we go, going to 1,000.
Yeah, let's just see.
Schumer says we'll seek action on state and local virus aid bill from Bloomberg.
That's interesting. Tesla calls, 1,000 calls end of the week are $23.
Here we go, 1,000 exactly.
Tesla now $1,000 TSLA.
Oh, look at that! It hit 1,000 exactly, but couldn't break it. Here we go.
It's right there. We go. 1,001. Yeah. It's going.
There's a whole dollar pop.
And
wow, look at that.
INO's going. Yeah. There you go. Tesla's going. Solo's going. Neo's going. All these alternative energy transportation plays.
Roku made a nice big pop.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
BA breaking the high of the day again.
BA going. Yep, BA.
Just keeps on going.
Everybody's happy. BA going to be getting their 7 max, maybe finally.
Maybe.
Clear.
They've got
takeoff again.
Yeah, they got 3 days of FAA tests that started this afternoon. They're busy announcing the launch of that, and FAA. The FAA then issued a statement to say it's going to take 3 days. Basically, stop bugging us. We'll let you know when we're done. That's how I interpret it. Yeah. So apparently they're doing the test flights in Seattle. I think I heard. So.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll learn the result of that when they're done.
UNFI breaking out. Love that daily.
Warren
Spies.
unveils bill to extend eviction moratorium to March 2021.
Brian, if you want a camera, you're welcome to the camera in the room.
All right. There's no cameras up now. So you can see my lovely face. Well, here we go with the SPY bouncing back off the VWAP. Gaps popping up too here. Just everything is going up. Just buy anything. It appears to be the strategy.
Yes. Buy.
Yeah.
The Fed making it happen.
Yeah. Just kind of curious. Banks seem to be doing okay today. Just kind of curious to see what the yield curve is doing. 500 points on the 500 points on the Dow. Bonds. Let's take a boo here. Well, the yields are all marginally down on the treasuries, except for the 30-year. It's up a little bit.
Pulling that over there.
Yeah, so it's good to be back, Mike. You had a nice road trip.
Yes, it feels great to be back. I mean, just being in your own office, with everything all set up the way you like it, not having to fight internet connections. It's good.
Yeah, you were really struggling with that internet.
Oh yeah.
But I appreciate you. You worked through it, so it was all good.
Yeah. Sometimes you just can't fight what situation you're in, and you just have to accept it, and you gotta just do the best you can with it. So
Just can't fight that feeling.
no. So do that, and then coming back today, got a lot of stuff done, medical appointments, everything I kind of put off for the last month or so.
In case you guys
I can't wait for July to get here.
Well, you don't have to wait much longer. Just give it another day.
No.
You'll be good. For those of you that aren't familiar by face on the cameras, up on the top we've got Brian looking angry at something, and then at the bottom we've got Mike, and I'm not. It's Peter speaking right now, and I'm not on the camera. So
Peter speaking.
California Governor Newsom says 39% of California's ICU beds have been absorbed by COVID-19 patients.
So I have the Benzinga squawk on. I'll just turn that off so we don't too much conflict here. That I do, Chris.
So Nick,
that I do.
So Nick, it's just my laptop camera is all that's there right now, because I refuse to pay 400% markup value for a camera.
Yeah, the prices on some things have really gone up, haven't they?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm it's all about principalities at this point right now for me.
Stick to your principles, man.
Well, that's what I'm just using my laptop camera. Now I know it's not great, but I use laptop camera and my laptop mic. Well, I'm using a real mic, but
I like the gaming headset I got. I like it. It keeps everything kind of zoned in, and I can put certain sounds in the right side and other sounds in the left, so it kind of cues off, which is nice.
Tesla, 105 now.
Look
I
at
bought
that
one
go.
call. I bought one call
1,005, I
on
mean.
Tesla. When it was just crossing 1,000 there, it cost me $2,300 for one call.
What? Wow.
Yeah, well, it was a $23 call.
Okay, that's expensive.
Yeah, I know. But this thing moves a lot, so
Yeah.
so it's already up. What is it at now? It's now at $28.
Okay.
$29. So that one call, I've already made $400 on it. That was easy.
What are you gonna do, Boeing, going into the close?
Yeah, no, Boeing is really, I mean, just look at this 5-minute chart. It's really quite strong ever since noon.
Yep. As soon as it broke that pre-market high level, and it is.
I would say even before that, because really when it came back, did
Oh,
that
yeah.
it did that false VWAP break. I was trying to find the pre-market high. I realized I had a line on top of it. That's why I couldn't find it. But yeah,
Oh,
yeah, it's Boeing has been certainly strong.
it's probably your tinfoil line that's right on top of
That
it.
is exactly what was on top of it. You're correct.
The tinfoil line.
The old tinfoil line, indeed.
Yeah.
What's my buddy? What's INO doing? INO is still up here. There was Norm called a great call off of the bounce off of VWAP. He saw it a little late, and so did I actually. I wasn't looking at it. I don't think I was actually sitting here at the time, but right around 2 o'clock, it did a great signal, right? Bounced off of VWAP. Then you watch for the second bounce, and after that second bounce, with a great risk to reward, you could have taken that long and just held this thing. Anyways, INO. Let me show you here on the chart. I'm not looking at the screen I'm sharing, but on a 1-minute chart, it shows it really well. Look at this pattern right here. To me, this is a great pattern because I never take something on the first touch, but after the second one, you could say, okay, you can go long. Even if you wanted to wait, you could wait for this, where it was unable to get back to VWAP. You got the tails at the bottom, like great set of signals here to go long for this move. So, and if you look at the price now, you would have had no risk in holding it. It's still sitting more than $1 above that entry. So, anyways, I know it was a good opportunity that I missed. BA maybe is topping here. I'm not sure. The SPY is pulling back in the immediate term.
Yeah, I think we're getting a bit of selling pressure into the close here. I don't know what the natural gas I see is dropping quite a bit.
Yeah.
And
People are liking your
AMD
screens,
is
Mike.
What was that, Peter?
I said people are liking your screens again
Oh, yeah.
but you're not fully using them. Why is one on you got some sort of holding pattern going on there or whatever?
Yeah.
Alien.
So when I came back, that used to be where I had a TI all the time.
Okay.
But now that I'm using TI for that scanner on the break of the high of the day, I moved it down to my laptop. So now I have extra real estate up there. Not quite sure what I'm going to do.
I think you should
We'll see.
put
Maybe we'll,
some some game shows or something.
yeah,
Game shows.
maybe it'll be a rotating screen for the closing bell each day. I'm sure we can find some nice stuff up there.
Be like a surprise image we'll have to look at. As you know, it's our Where's
Yeah.
Waldo challenge maybe each day. I'm up for that.
Yeah, maybe that's what. Yeah, I'll start looking into that. So they are 27-inch screens and they're curved Spectra. Nice cheap curved screens. Even though I'm not sure how cheap they are anymore on Amazon with the markup value that's going on. Yep, all 6 of them are curved. And I had to do some fabricating off the monitor stand because I actually had the stand and it came and it said 27 inches, so it would hold it. But when you extended it all the way out with the curved screens, it made it one straight flat monitor, and it was just difficult. So I took one of the arm pieces and I took it in and got 3D printed pieces, 4 of them, to extend the arm out just a little bit so I could rotate the screens around.
Huh. Okay.
So, which was much more cost effective than getting 4 pieces of steel cut.
Yeah, I got mine are all flat. I didn't go with the fancy curved ones like you've got, but they work good for me so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really looks like it's due for a little drop here.
The next thing I'm going to look at doing is I just need a keyboard and mouse stand that rises and lowers, kind of like a Norm standing desk.
Okay.
Because the top 3 screens are perfect right at my height to look at when I'm standing, and then the bottom are really good when I am sitting down. But when I stand, the keyboard is about 3 inches too short to be able to type comfortably. So if I just have an automatic raise and lower, it'd be perfect. Or longer arms, but I don't think they make arm extenders.
Jennifer, let's take a
Here
look
we
at
go.
Roku.
Here we go. That's come on.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
For
take
a
a
swing
partial.
trade.
What'd you get in?
I'm short Boeing. Here we go. There we go.
I don't know. I don't know about Roku for a swing, Jennifer. I mean, it's
Take another partial.
been pretty weak today. RSI is heading lower. Stochastics are heading lower. I don't know what the news is specifically today. I didn't hear anything, but it's definitely had a big down day. It's getting into an area of support right around this 114 level. 113. Might bounce here.
Come on, Boeing. Boeing is fighting valiantly at 192 to hold that level. Hoping to get, I got to get down to this moving average here, 190, 191.65. Take another partial if I can get there.
All you can say about Roku is it is finishing, you know, with a decent, see how it's finishing out the day here. It has had a nice bounce, but I'm not really sure this is just a short covering rally because it's really been selling off all day.
Yeah, Boeing's right at this moving average on the 5-minute. If it can lose that, I think you're in good shape, Peter.
Yeah, I know. I know it's got to lose that.
Peter, I'm disappointed you've broken up with Microsoft.
We haven't broken up. We're on a hiatus. We're taking a pause.
Okay.
We've agreed that we could see other people.
You're just agreeing to disagree.
Well, you know, there's nothing wrong with my alternative lifestyle, Brian. It's
No,
you know, we both
absolutely
agree.
not.
Nothing at
Absolutely not.
I'm polyamorous with my stocks, so
I'm always about the variety. Something doesn't work, time to move on.
I don't like how it's bouncing here, although it feels like it's ready for a drop.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it may bounce from here, Jen, but I'm not. I mean, it's one of those trades. It's not an A+ setup, and I don't know if there's been some news on Roku today that caused this big sell-off.
No, don't do it. Ah, you salty. I knew I should have taken another partial. It was looking like it was. Yeah, I bounced one too many times off of that moving average level. All right, well, it stopped me out. I got 2 partials on it, and then I got stopped out on Boeing. Let me check out Microsoft. Let's see what it's doing.
It's pretty ugly.
Yeah.
You know, got very much volume going through it either today.
Yeah, actually, I didn't even look at that, but look at that. That R-vol is pretty low, 67%, which, you know, decent volume. You know, it's got 21 million shares traded, but compared to what it normally trades, you're right, it's quite low. So, well, Steve-O, sorry it didn't work for both of us. I had a good entry. I was happy sort of with my entry on Boeing. I didn't think it was a bad trade, but look at that pop back
Boeing's
up.
gonna break a high again.
Yeah, I know.
I think
Should have
I think
reversed
it
my
wants
trade.
to.
Just can't keep a
Yep.
good stock down.
Yeah.
There it goes.
You just don't want to get in the way of a strong stock. That's all I can say.
Well, I'm lucky to have gotten out of that, I think, with some profit, so
Oh
take
yeah.
it.
Look at that. It's going to have even higher volume, I think, going on this candle than it did the previous one. Might make it 10 seconds left in it.
Yeah, Microsoft's looking ugly.
Yep.
I know, still
Look at
looking
that.
good up at 31 again. Microsoft is just in a mess of moving averages, and look at how wicky it is. I can't. Even if I want to make Brian happy by trading Microsoft, I don't think I can do it.
Don't do it.
I don't think I can
Don't do it for me.
Don't
do it for me.
I hate letting you down there, buddy. I wanted to trade it, but I can't. It doesn't look good. If I see a trade in it, I'll take it. But right now, I'm not seeing anything. I'm just seeing a mess. So, Gap.
Yeah, that's.
The Gap was really choppy today. GPS.
Yeah, it's
like
kind
that.
of up and down quite a bit.
Boeing.
Well, WKHS is It's going to make a move again here.
What do we got? We've got about 7 minutes left in the day here. Tesla. Tesla's struggling here to keep over 1,000. 102 right now.
Yeah, sometimes, Andrea. I mean, it's when you're looking at a trade, it's never hurts to look at multiple time frames. You know, get a higher level view of things.
I and O.
I mean, I think the longer the time frame, the longer you're kind of thinking out toward in terms of where you think the price is going to go.
Bless you.
Now there goes.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll see. I&O looks good. I wish it would make that run to the high of day a lot sooner than 5 minutes before the close. Or what are we, 6 minutes now before the close? I think after market or even tomorrow might be a good day for it.
I think Boeing's going back to 200, honestly. But it wasn't. It was there like a week and a half ago.
Yeah, the 19th,
Yeah.
18th, 19th, it was there.
Yep, literally like a part of 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. 206, it seemed like was the high. 207, something.
All right. Should I do it?
Might be worth taking it to a few calls on that. Playing it for tomorrow.
Oh,
Beyond is getting strong into the close too.
there it is. There it is. There it is. I'm taking a partial here.
Microsoft long.
Yep. It was holding this 197.70 level, and I thought, it's a very small trade. I just took like 100 shares, and I thought if it drops this moving average I've got at 197.58, so like $12, right, is what I was risking. I'll take it, but then I was hoping it would pop up. Microsoft likes to do that, so I just got my first partial up.
Yep.
198-ish. Well, 197.95 and change.
Yeah.
I'm telling Dr. Katz.
There it goes.
Bobby, don't tell on me, man. Don't tell on me.
It might make a run at that high of the day, too.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
For you.
I'm going to take another partial here.
It's got some ass up there at 198.20.
You said ask, right? Some asks?
He did
That's what
say.
you're saying?
Yeah,
Okay.
ass.
Okay.
Not the other word.
Wasn't sure. I wasn't hearing the K, so that's why I was asking.
Yeah, it kind of struck me that way too. But.
All right. Okay. So it wasn't just me then.
That does happen with me. Sometimes I mispronounce, especially with S's. I'm not very good with S's anymore.
Anyways, all fun and games until someone loses a night.
All fun and games. Well,
Here we
I got stopped out of a lot of trades today.
Man. Boeing just keeps on going.
yeah. Okay, I'm not unhappy with that.
Oh, I&O. I&O is making a run here for the close.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I know it's Boo doing the boogie.
Doing the boogie.
Yeah.
Boogie oogie oogie.
There it is.
Like, the
See
more I
what it
watch
does.
I&O, the more I regret missing that entry. That was lovely. Oh well.
I know would, if it was making this move 10, 15, even 30 minutes ago, I would have loved to have seen that. Just 3 minutes into the close, that was tough.
Yeah. Come on, I'm looking for a new high a day, Microsoft. Can you do it? No, whoa, wrong way. Let's go. Other way. Other way.
There's 279 at 198.20.
Here we go. Here we go.
Here it goes.
Come on, Microsoft. What do we got? A minute and a half.
I think you're going to have to be quick at that 198.20.
Yeah, I know. Yep.
Here.
I missed it. There was a new.
Oh.
Okay, I can take a partial here. Okay, I got a part. What did I get? I got 198. Oh, 198.17. I didn't get the high.
Oh, not too bad.
That's close.
2 cents off of it. 2 cents off of it.
All right, let's see if we can get up though over it. 19, 20.
Man, look at
Just
look at that volume come.
Come on, give me more.
Last minute.
I want more.
There goes one. Yeah. Diddly doodly.
They keep people keep refreshing at that 198.20.
No kidding. Look at that. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna get out. That last one I only got.
I kept seeing
198.
every time it hits 198.20. I keep seeing flashes of
Yeah.
large
Me too.
orders.
So, anyways, 198.14. I only got on that. Oh, here's the break. Should have
Oh,
more
there it
patience.
goes.
Oh well. Oh,
Oh, well,
30.
that's all you can say. It's all well.
Yeah, well, I mean, guys, I've watched it enough to know that Microsoft could easily have pulled back 30 cents, right, when it failed to break, and been back below 198 within a heartbeat. So,
Yeah.
as much as it just
Instead
closed
of going
Look at
to
that.
150.
Yeah, I
That was
know.
a nice little pop. Oh, look at
Yeah.
Ooh, let me pull up MU.
I missed that. I was just going to do the same thing. MU is the only thing we've got with earnings here, so might as well keep an eye on it. It's supposed to announce right at 4, so we should see. What did BA do into the close?
BA stayed strong right into the close.
Let's see. Boeing. Here it is. Oh, 194.30s. Wow, I really should have just reversed my position. I could have got $2 on that. Instead of scrounging it out for 30 cents to the downside, I could have got $2 to the upside. Anyways. All right, here we go.
Can't wait for tomorrow. Yeah, I know, eh, Lauren?
I know, right?
We're all anxiously looking forward to another day.
There it goes. MU spiking.
Whoa, there's a spike. I don't know if that's because the news is out or speculators are getting in there. I should have taken just 100 shares just to.
There it is.
77. Yeah. So that sounds like a positive.
82 cents versus 77.
Ooh. There you go. It's popping.
Go on MU.
So beat earnings, beat sales, and positive guidance.
Okay.
What else do you want?
Yeah.
Right?
What are you looking for from
Especially in this environment.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. What more do you want? Yeah, all right. Well. No whammies. Do you feel disappointed when the trading day is over? Some days I feel like that. Absolutely. Depends if the day's green or red, I guess.
Yep.
Also means I have to journal. Not my favorite thing, but has to be done.
That's where all the growth comes from, is the journaling.
No, yep, you are correct.
So,
So today was a good day. I wrote myself a sign on the weekend because apparently my TTDT wasn't always working. I did some journal analysis actually over the weekend. Realized that I wasn't taking all the trades I should. I had too many missed opportunities that I should have taken. Not all green, but enough that overall it would have added to my P&L. So I wrote myself a note that says, "Remember how it feels not to trade." That's a note to myself because at the end of the day when I journal, I go back and I just get so frustrated. No matter whether the day's green or red or whatever, I just get so frustrated on the opportunities that I could have had that I was staring at that failed to take. So I think that note helped me today keep a little more focused. So all in all, not a bad day. MU's put in a little ABCD pattern. Looks like it's settling in, probably to go a little higher.
Yeah, I took an entry on that at 50-60
Oh, okay.
on that pullback. Only a couple hundred shares.
You got a buck in it now.
Yeah, but a very small size. Here we go. Oh, look at that, eh? Can't be unhappy with that. I'm probably just going to hold them. Texas Hold'em. Well, maybe I'll
Texas
sell
Hold'em. Yeah. MU is definitely going to be on my watch for tomorrow, as always, but it will probably actually be in play tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't know what's going to happen, obviously, but I'd be surprised if it doesn't pull back to around 50 at some point before the open tomorrow. I think it's going to open higher tomorrow, but I don't know. I mean, that's just me. I don't know what's going to happen, really. Well, I guess
AMD seems to be getting a little pop off of it, too.
Yeah.
LU's
Little
buying,
small.
Lulu's buying something here. That's interesting. They're buying a fitness company.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, if it's a gym or something, they're going dirt cheap right now.
I don't think it's a gym. It sounds like it's some kind of it sounds like some kind of like a Peloton or something like that, you know? Like some kind of a online fitness thing. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We're going to go through 52.
Yeah,
I'm going to
it's
sell
challenging.
some here. Here we go.
Yep, there it is.
There's 52 break.
Selling.
Oh, nice, Brian.
There you go, Hans.
Okay. Cancel.
Oh, okay. Well, it is strong.
Yeah, look at it. Keep going.
Okay, well, with that, I think it's time to call it a day. Brian, nice trade on MU. It's still going for you. Still
Thank you.
climbing here. So
Yeah.
it's a nice after-hours trade.
Yeah,
And,
liking that.
thank you both for being on the mic with me. For those on
Yeah.
YouTube, thanks for joining. If you want to join us in the room, we do have discount codes just for you, for being here with us. And if you want to sort of watch the live trading all day, you're welcome to do that. You can join us with the Closing Bell 24 for 1 week trial at $24, or 40% off our lifetime membership using the code Independence40. So hopefully you'll consider joining us. It'd be great to have you here. Anyways, thanks for joining our broadcast. We will talk to you again tomorrow. Take care, everybody.